In this video, we will take a look at the valid parentheses question we will be solving, and gain an understanding of an algorithm we could use to solve it. The question asks us, given a string S containing just the characters opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, opening curly brace, closing curly brace, opening square bracket, and closing square bracket, determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order, and every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. My idea for solving this question is using the stack collection type from the standard template library. Iterating over the string, we would add each of the opening parentheses, curly braces, and square brackets to the stack. If we hit a closing delimiter, we will check if it matches the type of opening delimiter. If it does, we can continue. Else, we can return false because there is a mismatch. If we get to the end of the for loop and our stack is not empty, we will return false. If we hit a closing delimiter, we will pop off of the stack and check if the popped value matches the type of the opening delimiter. If it does, we can continue. Else, we can return false because there is a mismatch. If we get to the end of the for loop and our stack is not empty, we will return false as well since there is one or more characters left over on the stack after our algorithm has completed.